Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. First, you'll need to download the BIGO Live app from your phone's App Store, whether you're on iOS or Android. Once it's installed, open the app and create an account using your phone number, email, or social media login. Make sure your account is verified before proceeding. Step 2. Next, set up your profile by adding a profile picture, writing a bio, and selecting your interests. This helps other viewers discover you and understand what your channel is about. A complete profile makes you look more credible and attracts more followers. Step 3. Before going live, check your internet connection and make sure you have good lighting and audio. Test your camera and microphone in the app settings to ensure everything works properly. Good production quality keeps viewers watching longer. Step 4. Now tap the plus icon or the Go Live button at the bottom of your screen. Choose whether you want to broadcast in portrait or landscape mode. Select a title for your stream that's catchy and lets people know what to expect. Step 5. Finally, hit the Start Streaming button and begin engaging with your audience. Interact with viewers in the chat, read their comments, and respond to gifts and support they send. Keep the energy up and remember to thank viewers for joining you during your broadcast.